is, yeah.
Okay, so now that we have those thoughts in there, now is when we're going to move into the facts. I want you to list as many facts as you can think that support that frame of thinking. So he cheated, okay? And I'm filling out this form for you here,
Okay.
so that you can take it, okay?
Okay.
So he cheated and he lied.
Yeah.
What else? Is there anything else as far as a fact that supports?
Right, I said really awful, irreparable, I don't know how you spell it.
We're not worrying about spelling now. Thanks. Okay. Now, on the other hand, we're running a little out of space. Seems like this board is not big enough. But right here, from this line, red line on what's left in there, I'm going to move over just a little bit to give you room.
Okay.
I want you to write all the facts that goes against
Oh,
that frame of
this?
thinking.
Oh,
Exactly. Keep in mind, these are your thoughts,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
So those are your thoughts.
Okay.
These are facts that support,
Okay.
okay? And these are going to be facts against,
Okay.
okay? Okay? So, what are the facts that go against your thinking? Very good, 11 years of marriage.
We have 2 great kids.
Okay.
What if I'm not good enough? I mean, you know, I'm a good wife. I don't know how to quantify that as a fact.
Well, to quantify that as a fact is that he cheated on you.
Mm-hmm.
But it is also a fact that he did not leave you.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you're right. I guess he picked me for like, but he didn't leave. He picked me. Sounds terrible. I mean, a fact against is that I love him. Again, it's not a fact, but it is a fact, I suppose. But if he's not good enough, if we're gonna try and discount that thought, right? Is that right?
Yes,
Okay.
you're in the right track.
I can't think of anything else.
You can't think of anything else?
I can't think of any other facts against.
Okay, well, we really have only 2 facts that support the thinking. Now, the fact that you said really awful things, has your talk always been positive and good? Is this the first time you ever, in 11 years of marriage and how many years of a boyfriend-girlfriend relationship?
And there was 4 before.
Okay, so 11 plus 4 is 15. So in 11 years, you never said anything awful?
I did.
You did.
I did.
And
Yeah, so I've behaved badly before, I guess.
Well, that will really not be in there to go against, that would have been on the other side. But what I'm trying to get to is the fact that you said awful things, but how many times have you said good, supportive
Lots and lots of times.
things?
Oh, of course, it's mostly what I say.
Okay,
I
well
say
then,
lots of nice things.
okay, that
okay.
really
I see.
overpowers
I see what you're saying. Okay.
that
Yeah. Lots
one
of
time when you said, something
Nice.
awful.
things. I'll say nice, supportive. Okay. Thanks, Desi. I like that. I actually hadn't thought of that.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now we're going to try to come up with a sentence.
Okay.
A sentence that describes more accurately, or try to compensate more, find a middle ground between, your negative thoughts and the facts that go against it. Okay, so
Okay.
before, when he was coming up, you were confused and sad. How would you try to put this more positively
So,
in a sentence? What?
so my husband,
Mm-hmm.
tell me if I'm going off track. My husband and I have I'll just say great marriage. And say we are strong together.
Okay. Now, sit down for a moment.
Okay.
Look at that sentence. And tell me if I would get a little closer to what you're thinking by changing, altering a little bit the sentence that you wrote.
Mm-hmm.
That's a foundation. I'm just going to move things a little
Okay.
differently, okay? So, my husband and I, you said in there, have a great marriage. Would you right now today say your marriage is great?
Yes. No.
No. Okay. I have to be honest. So how about my husband and I had
Okay.
a great marriage,
Okay. Yeah.
okay? However, we are strong together
Mm-hmm.
and can overcome the situation.
All right. All right.
What do you think about that?
I like that.
Okay. I see a smile in your face. That's
I
nice.
like it. It's true.
It is true. I think it is. Now, considering this right here,
Okay.
we just wrote this statement, okay? Because this is a statement.
Mm-hmm.
And we go back to anxious, scared, confused, and sad. Tell me, how will you, considering this right here, how would you rate sad now?
I think I'll put it at a 6.
You'll put it in a 6.
Yeah.
Okay. How about confused?
2.
Okay. A 2. How about scared?
A lot less scared.
A lot less scared. I like that.
How about a 4?
4. Okay. We're getting somewhere.
I'm
It's
definitely a
about
lot
inches.
less anxious.
Okay.
So I'm gonna give that a 1.
You will give that a 1. Wow, this is an improvement, a major improvement. I'll be honest with you, I didn't expect this much of an improvement. So what we're going to do is, everything is written here on this piece of paper. You're going to take this home,
Okay.
and you never said, but I'm assuming your husband is not back into the bedroom yet. No. Okay, so with this now in mind, would you be willing to approach him in the conversation of getting back into?
I'm willing to have the
Okay.
conversation.
You're willing to have the conversation. That's a wonderful step.
Yeah.
And so we'll do that. You do that, you'll have that conversation, you'll continue your journaling, your emotions, your mood, and then we'll see you again in a week.
Outstanding. Thank you
Wonderful.
so much, Tati.
You're so welcome, Tracy.
Appreciate it.